there was a day I went over a lot of these. So you're getting this grip, like a clock choke kind of grip. I put my hand here on the back. I stand up, and this foot swings through, and I'm gonna swing here. I'm gonna get this on the roll. Most of the time, you're not gonna even get time to get this before they tap, but you're swinging here. Catch the roll. So I'll try to do it right with speed. No, sorry.
Don't be. I was like, I was trying to run from it.
So let me do a harness.
Yeah, I need to see it sometimes on everyone else.
Get the grip. Boom. Stand up. Foot goes over, and you're gonna roll.
You ever hit it on a really big guy that didn't roll?
He just doesn't. Yeah, I just say on his back he's gonna roll. I lay him. I'm like, I'll show you what happens because
Just
the big guy.
maybe hang that direction.
I'm up on the big guys, but it looks like I stand here and I'm like this. Like I'll end up like this. Like and he doesn't roll. Like he's just I'm like this.
Hanging off of him like a kid.
Looks like you have your legs.
Huh?
Looks like you have your leg.
Yeah, you might be able to stop me from doing it. But I think it's like the shock of the spin. This is just getting the choke on.
Yeah, there's probably a lot of pull or leverage on that when you jump your body.
All right, strap. 1, 2, 3.